Best Power Banks. Are you looking for the best power banks? In this video we will look at some of the best power banks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker MagGo Power Bank, 10K. Capacity, 10,000 mAh, maximum output, 15W, wireless, ports, 1 USB-C in/out included cable, USB-C to USB-C iPhone 15 charges, 1.64 charge time, iPhone 15 4% to 100% in 2 hours 26 minutes, 0% to 70% in 1 hour 8 minutes. Anker's MagGo Power Bank is one of the first devices to receive Qi 2 certification, and the new charging standard has noticeably improved the speed and performance of Anker's well-loved MagSafe power bank with kickstand. It stands out as the most balanced and reliable MagSafe battery I've tested so far. If you're exploring more options, you can also check out our dedicated MagSafe power bank guide for additional recommendations. In performance testing, the MagGo quickly impressed by bringing an iPhone 15 from almost dead to 50% in around 45 minutes, a task that took our previous top pick nearly an hour and a half. It also outpaces Anker's older 633 model. After the initial charge, the MagGo 10K still held enough power to lift the iPhone to about 70% on a second top-up. Beyond speed, Anker added thoughtful features such as a built-in LCD display that shows the remaining battery percentage, along with estimated time until the power bank is fully recharged or depleted. Its strong MagSafe connection keeps the phone securely attached, and the compact kickstand provides a sturdy setup for hands-free video viewing. Rotate the phone into landscape mode, and standby automatically activates. The MagGo also performed well with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, even though that device lacks Qi 2 support. Newer Pixel 10 phones, which do support Qi 2, will enjoy even faster wireless charging and perfect magnetic alignment. And thanks to the USB-C port, you can easily charge non-wireless devices when needed. Number 2. Anker Nano Battery, Foldable USB-C. Capacity, 5,000 mAh, maximum output, 22.5W, ports, 1 USB-C port plus built-in USB-C connector, cable, USB-C to USB-C Galaxy S23 Ultra charges, 0.65 charge time, 0% to 65% in 1 hour 2 minutes. Anker's Nano power bank stands out for how much power it delivers despite its incredibly compact size. It's roughly the shape of a classic lipstick case, making it one of the easiest portable chargers to slip into a pocket, purse, or small bag. The built-in USB-C connector flips out when needed and folds away when not in use, so you never have to remember to bring a separate charging cable. An additional USB-C port allows you to either recharge the bank itself or power up another device using an adapter cable. For small LED indicators provide a clear view of how much battery life remains. In testing, the 5,000 mAh battery delivered enough power to bring a drained Galaxy S23 Ultra up to 65% in just over an hour. That's impressive for such a tiny charger, and because the Nano is so lightweight, you can comfortably use your phone while it's plugged in without the awkward tugging or bulk that larger power banks create. Its size also makes it ideal for quickly topping off smaller electronics like wireless earbuds or compact accessories. If you prefer more capacity while keeping a smart, portable design, Anker's 30W Nano power bank is another excellent option. It doubles the capacity to 10,000 mAh, adds a battery percentage display, and includes a built-in USB-C cable that cleverly works as a carrying handle. The cable supports both input and output, and the device also offers an additional USB-C in/out port plus a USB-A out port for even more charging flexibility. Number 3. Anker 10K Fusion. Capacity, 10,000 mAh, maximum output, 30W, ports, 1 USB-C in/out port, built-in USB-C in/out cable, foldable wall prongs, cable, integrated USB-C iPhone 15 charges, 1.86 iPhone charge time, 5% to 100% in 1 hour 53 minutes, 5% to 91% in 1 hour 5 minutes. Galaxy S23 Ultra charges, 1.45 Galaxy charge time, 5% to 100% in 1 hour 2 minutes, 5% to 50% in 23 m. One of the biggest challenges with power banks is remembering everything you need: the battery itself, the charging cable, and a wall adapter to refill it later. Anker's 10K Fusion smartly reduces that hassle by building in both a USB-C charging cable for your devices and foldable wall prongs so you can plug the bank directly into an outlet. You still need to bring the power bank along, but at least you won't have to juggle extra accessories. Even with its integrated attachments, the 10K Fusion remains impressively compact, only slightly wider than a stick of butter, yet delivers a full 10,000 mAh of capacity. Its 30W output enabled super fast charging on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, taking it from 5% to full in just over an hour. It also boosted a nearly dead iPhone 15 to 45% in only 20 minutes, slowing slightly toward the end of the charge cycle, as many powerbanks do. The unit includes an additional USB-C port for devices requiring different cables, and both the port and built-in cable can recharge the bank itself. The attached cable forms a tidy loop that works somewhat like a handle, and despite initial hesitation, it felt surprisingly sturdy. The onboard display shows remaining battery percentage and proved more accurate than many I've tested. The textured, corduroy-like sides add a pleasant, grippy feel as well. While the BioLite Charge 40 PD remains a solid, durable low-capacity pick, Anker's 10K Fusion offers faster charging, more features, and better value overall. Number 4. BioLite Charge 100 Max. Capacity: 20,000 mAh, maximum output: 30W ports, built-in USB-C/out cable, 1 USB-A out, 1 USB-C/out cable, USB-C iPhone 15 charges, 3 to 3.5 iPhone charge time, 5% to 100% in 2 hours 6 minutes. The Galaxy S23 Ultra charges, 2.5 to 3 Galaxy charge time, 1 hour 15 minutes. Integrated charging cables are becoming increasingly common in portable power banks, and honestly, it's a trend I fully support. There have been plenty of times when my phone and power bank were both drained, only for me to realize I didn't bring a cable to connect them. The Belkin Boost Charge 20K with integrated cable is the latest model I've tested, and it's also one of the more budget-friendly options with this feature. With a maximum output of 30W, it isn't the fastest charger on the market, but it certainly performs well. It took a Galaxy S24 Ultra from nearly dead to full in just 1 hour and 15 minutes, and it pushed an iPhone 15 from 5% to 87% in a little over an hour. Thanks to its large 20,000 mAh capacity, it can repeat those results around 3 times before needing a recharge. The magnetized built-in USB-C cable is convenient and neatly snaps into place when not in use. The 2 additional ports, a USB-A output and a USB-C/out, allow you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. Just keep in mind that doing so will slow down charging speeds and divide available power. While it lacks a digital display, the 4 LED indicators are accurate and still provide a helpful estimate of remaining battery life. Belkin also scores points for offering multiple color choices. Beyond standard black, the Boost Charge 20K comes in blue, white, and a soft pink shade with a matte finish that resists smudges and cleans easily. Number 5. Anker Laptop Power Bank with built-in cable. Capacity: 20,000 mAh, maximum output: 65W ports, 2 USB-C/out cable, USB-C to USB-C iPhone 11 charges, 2.95 iPhone charge time, 5% to 100% in 1H39m. Galaxy S22 Ultra charges, 2.99 Galaxy charge time, 5% to 100% in 59m. iPad Air charges, 1.83 iPad charge time, 5% to 100% in 1 hour 55 minutes, to 83% in 1 hour 21 minutes. Nimble's Champ Pro Power Bank delivers extremely fast charging performance, pushing a Galaxy S23 Ultra from just 5% to full in under an hour. That makes it one of the fastest models I tested, second only to Anker's premium laptop power bank, which costs about $30 more. With its 20,000 mAh capacity, the Champ Pro can provide nearly 3 full charges to both iPhone and Galaxy devices and has enough reserve power to recharge an iPad Air almost twice. It also recharges itself from the wall noticeably quicker than most competitors, getting you powered up and ready to go sooner. Nimble is a certified B Corp, meaning it meets rigorous environmental and social responsibility standards. The Champ Pro reflects that commitment. It's built using 90% post-consumer plastic and packaged in scrap paper materials. Nimble even includes a bag so you can send in old electronics for recycling, which is a thoughtful touch. The power bank feels sturdy in hand and has a slim, compact profile, slightly narrower than a smartphone and about as long. It comes with a small adjustable lanyard and features a subtle marbled finish from the recycled plastics. Both USB-C ports support input and output, allowing you to charge 2 devices at once. The only minor downside is the accuracy of the 4 LED indicator lights. In one test, the lights suggested it was nearly empty, yet the battery still delivered a full charge plus an extra top-off. Fortunately, the indicators tended to underestimate rather than overestimate, and their accuracy improved after a few full charging cycles.